Hi developers out there, welcome back. In this section, we are going to see how routing works in Laravel. Routing plays important role in MVC framework as it maps URL to physical file or class, which can be controller class in MVC. Routing, of course, makes navigation, for example, among views, easier, allowing you to change browser URL and keeps the UI in sync with the URL. Let's see example. As you can see, we have a PHP sandbox open here, and this is what we will use in this series. As you can see, we have a router here, and the first router method is get, and then there are six router methods you can use in Laravel. We can use a route post if it's post request, and the next one is get. Then we have route hash. Then route put. Then we have a route delete. Route option. So here now, all you need to do, you define the path dollar URL, and then your callback function, then your callback. So that is how to define a simple route. If you copy this, so all of them here, you can have it this way. So let me remove all this. So now let's say we have a here, as you can see, this is the index page. So if we should say, for instance, let's say here now, instead of welcome, we have a service here, and if I should copy the URL here, and then let me come here and now have a service here, for instance, you can see. Let me go back and remove the service once again. Let me come back here. You should have a 404 error. You can see not found. So let me remove this service. For instance, see, we have the index page back. So let's try to create our own inside the view. So come here. Let me say, for instance, service once again split PHP. All right. So let me just say H1 instance. Let me just close it. Let's say this is our service page. So if I should go to this web.php file, let me grab what we have here. Let me say service, and the service we have here without a blade. Let's say service. Okay. I should come here and say service. And see this is sorry. this will be this is and I should refresh now. See, this is our service page. So that is it about a simple routing. So now let's look at the match method. At times, you want to register a route that responds to multiple HTTP verbs. Then you can use a match method. So let's see an example. Let me copy all this and paste it here. Then space. Okay, now, so what we need to do now, we just say route match. Then inside the route method, we have an array. Then say get. That means we want it to match HTTP verb get. Then another one is post. And comma. Then the route, call it, let's say service for instance. Then callback function. Right. So we terminate it, then we can now say return view, for instance, the our service here. So let's have service and let's terminate it. All right, let's go to service and reload it. Okay, since we haven't started okay, let's start the sandbox once again. All right, so if you come here and reload again, you can see this is our service page. Or if you say let's just return something, for instance, let's say h1, sorry, this should be h1. That's it. See, this is hash out method. Okay, that seems we didn't terminate it here. So as you refresh it, you can see this is mash route method. So another one we can also use to register a route that responds to all HTTP verbs is any method. So let's try to use that also. So let me grab all this. Let me also paste it here. All right. Have a route column any, then can now say service in our callback function to return, for instance, the view. Let's use welcome, for instance. One we have here. So come here. Let's okay. Service, of course. We're having error. Didn't terminate. I don't know why I always forget to terminate my this thing, statement. Okay. Have misplaced it. So you can see. So we have any method that matches any HTTP verb that we use either get, post, and any one of them put. So it will automatically match any one of them. So that's it. In the next video tutorial or clip, we will look at redirect and view route methods in Laravel. So thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like, and if you are new to my channel, also don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thanks once again for watching.